Part 2. Remembering Collections of Messenger Species. Chapter 4. A Still Better Molecular Memory Model. The better molecular memory model of the previous chapter could probably also have gotten us through a few eons. But that memory model can also significantly be improved. If the organism were to get overstimulated and all 5 messenger species were to start diffusing at once, all the memory organelles in the better molecular memory model memory neuron would emit their recognition responses at the same time. The same is true for the simple molecular memory model. In contrast, in the still better molecular memory model of the present chapter, the red, white, green memory organelle will emit its recognition response only if it sees a red, a white, and a green messenger, and no blue or yellow messenger. This more discriminating memory organelle in the still better molecular memory model has a better receptor switch. We use green as an example. In any memory organelle in the still better molecular memory model, the green receptor switch is present either as an excitatory green receptor molecule or as an inhibitory green receptor molecule. Both excitatory and inhibitory receptor molecules are known to exist. In the previous chapters, the receptor molecules we have been referring to have been what cell biologists call stimulatory receptors, and what neuroscientists, a designation that includes neither Charles nor me, might call excitatory receptors. In the context of the present model of recognition memory, an excitatory receptor, such as an excitatory green receptor molecule, when it has grabbed its messenger, emits an excitatory response within the memory organelle. That excitatory response, when combined with other excitatory responses, leads to the recognition response of the memory organelle. In contrast, the inhibitory green receptor molecule, when it has bound its messenger, emits an inhibitory response within the memory organelle, which causes the memory organelle to temporarily shut down. It does make sense that the inhibitory receptor molecules would be involved along with the excitatory receptor molecules, just as the preponderance of inhibitory synapses in the nervous system keeps the nervous system from running away with itself. So, the inhibitory receptor molecules in the still better molecular memory model assure that if the memory neuron gets overloaded with messenger species, all the memory organelles won't go off at once. This significant improvement has been made. How do these properties play out with various memory organelles and various combinations of messenger species? Examples are given in the chapter 1 of the appendix, examples how the still better molecular memory model plays out.